Okay, for our beginning class, we're just working with one stanza of You Are My Sunshine in the key of G, so we can explore a slide embellishment on the G chord and an additional embellishment on the C chord where we're adding a note. And as Roy discovered, we're adding an A note. We're actually turning this little C into another way of playing a C6. And we do this on the second and fourth beats. We press in. So let's try. So, oh, one, you are my sunshine, slide, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Let's do it again. You are my sunshine, my only 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.